Let's see if I can get those right there. Does that make me look 4 eyes? Does anybody else, does that drive anybody else crazy? The little ring light circles in the glasses. Well, if I take my glasses off, I really don't even know where to look. So we'll just deal with the ring lights. How about that? Hey guys, it's Patti Allred. I'm in North Carolina, and I wanted to hop on here in this amazing group. And I know all you're looking at now are the little ring lights. Let's see if I can fix it. Oh, I about knocked it over. No, didn't. Okay, so now it's just a ring light line. Is that a little better? Anyway, wanted to hop in here today and just share with you what I've been doing today. I've had a busy day. I have had a productive day. I hope you have too. Some of the things that I'm working on, and I'm working on this for you. If you're watching this live or in the replay, let me know, please, because this is for you. I have written a blog today, a blog post, okay? I have done some training on a challenge that I have coming up, and it's a challenge that I'm going to offer in here first and foremost. So, because you guys, you are special to me, and I want more than anything to help you succeed. So I'm going to start that challenge in here, so be looking for that. I am getting clearer and clearer on whom I am here to help. It's not a broad amount of people. I can't help everyone. I wasn't put here to help everyone, and neither were you. When we realize that, it takes a load off, and it helps us to concentrate and focus on those that really need us, okay? I started a new post your biz thread in here. So every Monday, unless I forget, I put a new post up for you where you can go in and post about your business. Please post it in that thread. We have different threads every day, different posts where you can put about, you know, your different social medias, or we ask different questions. I have an amazing assistant that helps me do that, and take advantage of it. It's free to do that. Okay, I put a TikTok video up, and if you haven't followed me on TikTok, go do it. I love some TikTok. It's short and easy, and I do get leads from there, and I do make money from TikTok, okay? I've been doing some YouTube training because YouTube is freaking free, okay? And I am getting ready to post a YouTube video. I have tweaked my description. I am taking out anything that doesn't really need to be there. I'm one of those that if I get an email and it's, you know, so long, I don't read it. So I've got to quit writing them that long. I got to shorten it up. Quick and to the point. That's all we need. This day and time, that's what we want. So that's where I'm going, okay? I promise you. Let's see. I also tweaked my Work with Patti doc. And I posted it in here, okay? I just kind of give you my story, where I am right now, where I've been, what I'm doing, and I have narrowed it down to the main structures, the main programs, systems that I recommend to you, where you can go and make money online if you follow the blueprint that's already there. I'm not asking you to reinvent the wheel or anything. And listen, I'm telling you, here's what I'm doing. Before I recommend a program to anyone, it's one that I've checked out. It's one that I would recommend to my own mama. That's how I look at it. I heard somebody say that a while back, and that's what I want, and that's what I want to offer to you. Sound good? Look, I'm gonna hop off here, go look for that doc, and be looking for the challenge training coming up. Jeez, my brain. But this is from the top challenge guy in the freaking world. I'm doing a training with him. Very blessed. So I'm gonna bring it to you. Let's do this thing. Most of all, you know what? Choose happy. Because if you're not happy, it's not fun. I like fun. I'll talk to you later. Gonna go finish doing my list of things that I'm gonna do today. I'll be back in here tomorrow. I love you. You matter. See you later. It's Patti Allred.